Hey guys, I'm Glowy the Gamer. I'm back with another video, and so unfortunately I have lost the file to do with the camping map and everything, but that is fine. I will create a new GUI, and we are going to be learning how to animate text. So this is going to be pretty fun, how like the text appears, and I'll show you guys how to do that. I know how to do that, and I will show you how to animate text where it doesn't glitch or anything, and it's very useful. So I'll be right back once I have my GUI built to the way I feel comfortable with. Oh, by the way, guys, I know how to scale something. So what you gotta do in your frame, let's say example, you gotta go to size, and then open this, put the offset to 0, offset 0. And then you want to go to scale, and in scale, let's say 1, that's like how wide it is, and then scale, let's do 0.1. You see, the scale is like, let's say 1 is like all the way to the edge. Okay, so if you want to get it halfway across the edge, it'll be like 0.5. In my case, I'm going to do 0.3. No, not 0.3. I'll do 0.2. And I'm going to do, in the X, I'm going to do 0.9. And then you want to go to, there's another one, position right here. And you want to go to scale. You want to do first 0.5. I'm sorry. No, that's 0.05. And then the Y, I'll just do 0.05. And now you have it scaled in the middle. It'll be scaled for every device. I can prove it to you. I can, let's see. Let's do fit to window. Okay, there you go. And then iPhone 4, iPhone 6. It works with every device now. So yeah, that's how you scale it. Alright guys, now we're going to be diving into some scripting here. This is where we will start scripting the function, so please pay close attention, because this script will not be in the description. This will be achieved and made by you following along. So of course, under the text label, you want to insert a script. We're going to make some variables first. So we're going to do local text label equals script.parent. And then just going to do local text. And then we're going to do a function. So here we're going to do function sound effect. And then we're going to do local sound equals instance dot new, and then sound, and then comma workspace, because we want to create a sound. What this does is that it creates a new instance, a new sound in workspace. So that's what we're going to be doing here. And then we are going to do sound dot name. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to name this, but I will. I'm going to do text sound, and then we're going to do sound ID. If you want your text to make a sound ID whenever it to make a sound whenever it appears, you can do this. And then you're gonna do you can find one through the toolbox. Let's see, audio, and then search for what's audio. I'll just do keyboard sound or something. So I'll find that. Let's see. Keyboard type. I don't know. No. Have to. Keyboard press. Okay, let's go for this one. Let's copy a set ID, and then we're gonna do HTTP and then colon and then / www.roblox.com/asset /? ID and then you put in that ID in there, and boom, that's pretty much it for that. And then we're gonna do, you can do whatever playback speed you want, so just do sound.playback speed, not playback loudness, speed, and then just one sound dot volume. You can change the volume if you want. I'm gonna set it to 1, and then you're gonna have the sound play whenever it is being, ticked. And then you want to do coroutine, I think that's how you pronounce it, and then dot resume, and then coroutine again, and then create, and then function. And then you want to change this to that. So make sure it looks like that. Pay close attention to these characters. I'll actually zoom in. So there's that. And then you want to do a wait time right here to see how, well, you don't have to, but you could just do wait 1 and then sound remove. I'm sorry. Yeah. Or destroy. Yeah, destroy. Sound destroy. And now we're going to start doing the text function, which will be using this function, or this function to occur whenever this function happens. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to do function, and then you can call it whatever you want. I'll just call it setText. And then you're going to put parentheses, and then you're going to put word. And then text, I'm sorry about that. Equals word. So we're going to do that. And then for I equals 1, comma, and then hashtag text do, and then you're going to do text label dot text, and then equals string dot sub, and then text text comma 1 comma I, and then sound effect. We're gonna have the sound effect function happen here. So yeah, this function is going to be using this function. And then we are going to do text label dot text color. It depends on what color you want your text to be. Equals color. I'm going to go with color3 dot from RGB, because it works a lot better than color3 dot new. Sometimes it doesn't work. It really doesn't work for me. It's very glitchy. So do that, and I'm gonna have to text white. So white is 255.255.255. You want your text to be black. It can be 000. So set it to 000 if you want your text to be black, or any custom color. And then we're gonna do wait. This is gonna be how fast your text will be. The smaller the wait, the faster the text will appear. The longer the wait, the slower it will appear. So if you want 1 character per second, which means it's going to be dun 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 dun. So it'll do that. I'm going to do 0.1. 0.1. That sounds pretty accurate. Or if you want to be faster, you can do 0.05 or 4. Doesn't matter. Depends on whatever the way you want it to be. I'm going to go with 0.4. And now you're going to do setText. In the setText, you're going to do quotation marks and put whatever message you want in it. And then we're gonna do, let's say, hello, welcome to YouTube or something, YouTube Park. I guess that was the name of my previous game. And then you're gonna do a wait time, and then how many seconds. I'll do wait 3 seconds till the next message appears. And then you're gonna do, you know, whatever message you want. This is a test, and I'll make it just extra long, so it could be to see how it works. So let's say this is a test. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Text is long. I don't know, just trying to make it long. I don't want to just put in random letters in there because that's just a bunch of laziness. We are going to explore the wilderness, so enjoy. I know this probably just doesn't make any sense, but you know, just testing. Just do it short wait time before this, so you know, giving some players time to load in. So I'll just do wait 5 seconds before everything happens. So now let's dive into testing. This is what the thing I made looks like. And now we're gonna test and see if it works. So you should wait 3 seconds before everything else happens. Alright, let's see. Should wait 3 seconds. Boom, it works. So if you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This is really cool. Honestly, I like to animate text. It really makes everything feel a lot better. Sorry I haven't done part 3 in a long time. I know it's really been a while. I've been busy with a bunch of other stuff. No excuses, but it's true. So yeah, guys, that's how you animate text. If you need any help, just play back the video and see what you can observe and see if you made any mistakes and any corrections. Because if you want this to work, your script should look exactly like mine. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Later.